This is Philip Clark with Just Say Something. August 21st is National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day. And I want to take a few minutes today to talk about why this day matters and, more importantly, what we can do as parents, families, and as a community. Fentanyl is a powerful synthetic opioid. There are legitimate medical uses for pharmaceutical fentanyl, particularly for severe pain. But illicitly manufactured fentanyl has become a significant part of our illegal drug supply and is one of the biggest dangers is that someone may not even know they are taking it. It can be found in counterfeit pills made to look like legitimate prescription medications and mixed with other illegal drugs. That means someone doesn't necessarily have to be intentionally looking for fentanyl to be exposed to it. That's a message we especially need our young people to understand. A pill from a friend, someone at school, someone they met online, or another source isn't safe simply because it looks like a prescription medication. At Just Say Something, we believe one of our most powerful tools is prevention. That's also why our work through the Power Collective is so important. The Power Collective brings organizations throughout Greenville County together around a common goal, preventing opioid misuse and overdose through education, awareness, prevention, intervention, and community resources. Because an issue this big can't be solved by one organization. It takes schools, it takes law enforcement, healthcare, mental health professionals. It takes prevention organizations. It takes businesses, churches, parents, caregivers, and young people themselves. And it takes conversations. Through the Power Collective, we're working to get accurate information and practical resources into the hands of people throughout our community. That includes educating families about opioids and fentanyl, encouraging safe medication storage and disposal, reducing stigma, connecting people with the resources, and helping prevent substance misuse before it begins. We've also been able to provide locking prescription bottles to families. Something as simple as securing medication in your own home can be part of prevention. National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day gives us another opportunity to bring this issue into the open. If you're a parent or caregiver, talk to your kids about fentanyl and counterfeit pills. Make sure they understand that they should never take medication that wasn't prescribed specifically for them and provided by a legitimate pharmacy. But don't make it a lecture. Ask questions. What have they heard about fentanyl? Have they seen anything about it on social media? Do they understand what counterfeit pills are? What would they do if a friend offered them a pill? Those questions can lead to conversations about much more than fentanyl. They can also open the door to talking about peer pressure, stress, mental health, substance use, decision making, and asking for help. And that's what prevention looks like. It isn't one conversation on August the 21st. It isn't one program or one organization. It's all of us working together and continuing these conversations throughout the year. National Fentanyl Prevention and Awareness Day is also a time to remember that behind every statistic is a person and a family. There are parents, children, siblings, friends, and entire communities who have experienced the devastating effects of opioid misuse and overdose. We owe it to those families to keep talking about this issue, to keep educating our community, and to keep investing in prevention. If you'd like to learn more about the Power Collective, find resources, request information about safe medication storage, or have someone from the Power Collective speak to your organization, visit powercollectivesc.com. And this August the 21st, I encourage you to do something simple. Start a conversation, talk to your kids, talk to your friends, share what you know, learn something you didn't know before. Because when it comes to fentanyl prevention, what we know, what we share, and what we do together can make a difference. And as always, as we always say here, just say something. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Until next time, stay safe.